In this video, I'll show you how to get BullX Neo Early Access. So first, I suggest that you check out the link on the description box for instant access on BullX Neo. Go ahead and click on that link and that will redirect you into the BullX Neo bot on your device. So in here, go ahead and hit on the start button. Now, after you click start, you'll be able to find this area. So these are the information that you need to take note of. And under it, you'll be able to find the login button. So hit on that login button to be able to log into your BullX Neo account. So once you have actually get redirected into the link connected to that button, you'll be able to find this area. Hit on the open button and you'll be able to open that on your browser. So if you're a new user, instead of getting redirected into this section, there would be a pop-up that will pop on your screen, which actually has your private keys. You need to copy that private key since it is only copyable or accessible for once. And once you have viewed or copied it, you won't be able to recopy or review it. So go ahead and connect your BullX Neo account into an existing wallet that you have to make sure that even if you lost access into your Telegram account, you'll still be able to access BullX Neo through the wallets connected into that bot. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if you have questions and concerns, you can write them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.